They call me Snoop out here from the big 770. Just got a little message for all them pussy ass boys out there in Alabama. You got better luck shitting in your mama's best frying pan than coming out here to Rome, Georgia and fucking with me, son. I'm down to whoop any one of y'all little Alabama 256, 251, 205. Come out here 770. Fuck with me. And we going for the 3P. Big go dogs, baby. You feel me? You feel me? Feel me? That's how we fucking do it. Hell yeah, I'm 185. I'm calling out fucking everybody. I don't care if you 235. I want it, baby. I fucking want it. Get the fuck down out here. Come to Rome, Georgia. We do free dental work out here in Georgia, baby.